back Metrowest fitness coach, and I'm here with Coach Tiff. And today we're going to demonstrate foam rolling of the T-spine, your thoracic area. So basically right below the shoulder blades, we want to get a good disassociation from cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine. So Tiff is going to get in a great position where the foam roller is going to fall right underneath the shoulder blades at what we call the thoracolumbar junction. And she's going to make sure she supports her head for a little while. And we'll have a couple that you can support your neck or not. Abs are tight, hips are up. And she's going to really just roll up and down, a lot right below the shoulder blades, but she can definitely search in that scap blade, shoulder blade area. But a lot of it is right below the shoulder blades in that thoracolumbar junction. Great spot that we can get to ease down on the sympathetic system, which really is fight or flight. She can wrap the arms around the body, and she can continue to roll. She can actually laterally move to the lats, one side and the other side, because they're all associated with the shoulder girdle / thoracic region. Tiff can also reach her arms up over the body, keep the abs tight. She's got the chin tucked in, so she does a good job of taking the stress off the neck, but at any time, you can place the fingertips behind the head to support. Another thing that you can add to this, which is great, you can keep the foam roller right underneath the shoulder blades. Tiff can put her butt down. She can intertwine the fingers behind her head, get the elbows in tight to get the shoulder blades out of the way. She can take a deep breath in through the nose and then slowly start exhaling as the elbows go back, kind of like an overhead position. She's staying tight through here as she's creating some good extension at that upper back. Great job. She sniffs in that ear, slow exhalation, tight through here, moving through the upper back.